Are you trying to delete an app on your iPhone, but the delete app option is missing and you only remove the app from your home screen? This video is going to show you a simple fix on how you can get back that option to completely delete and uninstall an app from your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Before we start, if you find this video useful, consider leaving a like because it would really help me out. So if I long press on Snapchat, for example, and I want to uninstall it, I'll have the option to remove the app. So let's click on that. But this will only give me an option to remove Snapchat from my home screen. I'll tap here, and it will be removed. But the app isn't uninstalled and completely deleted from our iPhone because when I open my app library and I search for Snapchat, you'll see the app here, and I can open it normally. This is because there is a content restriction enabled in the settings, which prevents us from deleting apps on iPhone. But you can easily disable that by opening the settings. Then go a bit down until you see the Screen Time section and open it. The phone will maybe ask you to enter your screen time passcode in order to confirm your identity, so just do that and you'll get to a page that looks like this. Go a bit down until you see this Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on this to open it. After that, let's find this iTunes and App Store purchases, then deleting apps, and this is probably set to Don't Allow for you, and this is the reason why you can't delete apps. Change this to Allow, and I'll exit the Settings app. Long press on Snapchat once again until I can find the Remove App option, and here is the Delete App button. When you click on this, it will completely uninstall the app from your iPhone, and your problem is now fixed. Tell me in the comments down below if you have any more questions or suggestions, and I will see you in the next video.